Are you laughing? Oh. What else? Oh. Can you do it again? Some more laughing? You're so silly. Yeah. Yeah, this is the second week of March, and Esme is in her last week of being 6 months old. She's laughing, and we just had some mums for lunch, and they were pretty funny. So we're gonna go. Bye-bye.